This is the proposed cost estimation for this two-bedroom bungalow designed for comfort, functionality, and modern living in Bayelsa, Nigeria, May 2026. The building measures 10.2 meter by 10.2 meter, giving a total floor area of 104 square meters, which is 34 feet by 34 feet. The type of foundation is part foundation. The entrance pouch is 10 feet by 5 feet. The kitchen veranda is 6 feet by 4 feet. The guest room is 10 feet by 10 feet with a bathroom of 7 feet by 4 feet. The master bedroom is 15 feet by 10 feet with a bathroom of 7 feet by 4 feet with its own veranda, and the kitchen is 13 feet by 7 feet. All rooms are ensuite, fitted with wardrobes, ensuring both privacy and convenience. For the foundation work, using 4 coach of block, you need 35 bags of cement, half trip of sand, 5 tons of chippings, 900 blocks, 8 length of iron rods and labor, bringing the total cost of the foundation to 2.5 million naira. This stage forms the backbone of the building, ensuring strength and long-term stability. Next, for the sand filling, you need 1.2 million to buy 7 trips of sand, including labor. This process ensures proper leveling, compaction, and provides the base for the DPC works. For the DPC works, also known as German floor with plinth beam or chain beam, you need 40 lengths of iron rods, 2 rolls of BROC, 1 roll of DPM nylon, 43 bags of cement, 1 trip of sand, and 6 tons of chippings, bringing the total cost including workmanship to 1.9 million for the DPC. This phase is critical in preventing moisture penetration and enhancing durability. Moving upward, for the ground floor block work of 13 coach, you need 2,600 blocks, 32 bags of cement, and half trip of sand, which amounts to 2.9 million naira for the block work, covering both materials and labor, raising the building walls up to roof height. For the pillar and lintel casting, you need 120 lengths of iron rods, 9 bags of cement, and a trip of sand, bringing the total materials and labor to 1.5 million for the pillar and lintel casting. This stage reinforces the structure, providing the needed support for the roof. For the concrete fixture, we spent 1.5 million naira. For the roofing, you need 270 square meters of roofing sheet, 290 pieces of 2x2, 180 pieces of 2x4, and 35 pieces of 3x4, bringing the total cost of the roofing to 3.5 million, inclusive of installation. At this stage, the building is fully covered and protected from weather element. From foundation up to roofing, the total cost is 14 million naira. Then for plastering, you need 75 bags of cement and 1 trip of sand, which comes up to a total of 1.5 million for the plastering, covering both materials and workmanship. This gives the building a smooth finish and prepares it for final works. For the doors, you need 2.2 million for 2 entrance doors, 7 units of 3-feet doors, and 3 units of 2-feet doors, including installation. For the windows, you need 1.2 million for 8 windows, including installation. For the electrical installation full conduit, we need 1.8 million, covering all materials and workmanship for wiring, fittings, and electrical distribution. For the plumbing works, we need 2.3 million, covering pipes, fittings, fixtures, and workmanship. For the POP ceiling, you will need 46 bags of POP cement, including workmanship. This amounts to 1 million for the POP ceiling. For the wall screeding, you will need 22 buckets of screeding paint, including workmanship. This amounts to 800,000 naira for the wall screeding. For the matte painting, you need 9 drums of primer and 9 drums of matte paint for both interior and exterior surface, including workmanship. This amounts to 1.1 million for the painting. For the tiling, you will need 52 cartons of wall tiles and 80 cartons of 60 by 60 floor tiles, including workmanship. This amounts to 2.1 million naira for the tiling. The total cost for just the building comes up to 29 million. 22 million to buy all building materials and 7 million to pay all labor. Note, the total cost does not include septic and soakaway pits, water tank stand, and external wall flooring and engineering supervision fees. Note, price differs depending on your taste of finishing, the size of the building, the site location, and the current market prices. You don't need to have all the money before you start. Start with what you have and build small. Remember, inflation waits for no one. The earlier you start, the better. Contact 070-64-234-077 today to begin your building project now. And also, to get your architectural design, MEP, building estimate, and structural drawings designed to match your taste, styles, and standards. How much does it cost to build a 2-bedroom bungalow in Nigeria?